In this video, I'm going to show you the ways to fix WhatsApp messages not sending. If you're unable to send messages on WhatsApp, then what you can do is, to fix it, you can try following the steps. First of all, you could go ahead and check your internet connection. So if you have unstable or you're not connected to a proper connection, then it might be one of the reasons. So what you can do is you can just go ahead and switch over to your mobile data for a certain time, and that should also be able to fix the issue. Or else you could go ahead and turn off your router for approximately 20 seconds, and that should be able to fix the issue all at once. If you haven't updated your application in a while, then it might be another reason. So go ahead and type in WhatsApp on the search box, and here you need to go ahead and locate whether the application is completely up to date or not. And likewise, if the update is also not working out, then you could try restarting your device and reinstalling it. That should be able to fix the issue all at once. And in some cases, the issue might be from the server itself, so you could go ahead and check the detector. So that for that case, you could go ahead and type in downdetector.ph, and there you could go ahead and locate the detector for all the application that's on your device. So that's basically how you can go ahead and fix your WhatsApp messages not sending issue. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.